Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are having revision chapter 12 basic geometry. So in basic geometry we will study about the lines, angles, point, etc. So students, open page number 157 and first we will study about the point. First of all, we are taking a point. Student, as you know, the point is a simple dot which has no shape, no size. Point का कोई shape नहीं होता, कोई size नहीं होता. It is a simple dot. And how we can show a point? To show a point, we have to show it like in capital letters. It means we can say this is point A, point B, or point C. So these are the examples of point. Now we'll study about the line segment. Line segment. So students, line segment means a piece of line. It means line का एक टुकड़ा. And how we can form a line? If we take 2 points. This is point A and the next point is point B. If we take 2 points and we join these points with a straight line, then we can form a line segment. And how we can show a line segment? To show a line segment, we have to write here AB and we have to show a small line here. This is the symbolic representation of a line segment. Now you can say this is a line segment and these points are showing. This is point A and this is point B. अब ये points जो हैं वो क्या show कर रहे हैं? It means they are showing ये इस direction में आगे नहीं जा सकती है. हम इसे और आगे extend नहीं कर सकते हैं. So a line has a specific length. हम इसे measure कर सकते हैं and this is a line segment. Point A and point B, these are two endpoints here. In line segment, we have two endpoints. Understood, students? Now the next, we see a ray. So students, if I take a line segment and I am extending this line segment in this direction, मैं एक line segment लेके उसे एक direction में क्या कर दूँ? आगे extend कर दूँ, उसे आगे बढ़ा दूँ. Then I get a ray. तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? एक ray मिल जाएगा. And how I can show a ray? To show a ray, I have to write A, B and I have to show a arrow. Now this is the end point. इससे आगे हम इसे नहीं बढ़ा सकते. And the arrow is showing this ray is going in this direction. It means we can say a ray has only one end point. In line segment we have two end points and in ray we have only one end point. Understood, students? Now the third one is line. If I take a ray and मैं इसे क्या करूँ? इस डायरेक्शन में भी आगे बढ़ा दूँ. यहाँ तो ये आगे जा ही रही है, अब मैं इसे इस डायरेक्शन में भी आगे बढ़ा दूँ. इट मीन्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी एनी एंड पॉइंट हियर. हमें नहीं पता व्हाट इज द इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड व्हाट इज द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस लाइन. सो दिस इज अ लाइन. एंड हाउ कैन वी शो दिस लाइन? वी हैव टू शो दिस लाइन लाइक दिस. A simple line and we have to show two arrows in this direction also in this direction also. Understood, students? So in line we don't have any end point. Line का कोई end point नहीं होता and it has no specific length. इसकी कोई specific length भी नहीं होती. Understood, students? So students, we have discussed about point, line, line segment and ray. As you know, this is a vertical line, horizontal line and this is a slanting line, students. So now we'll discuss about the angles. So students, open page number 158. Now we'll study about the angles. If we take two rays, क्या ले रहे हैं हम? Two rays. This is the first ray AB and this is the next ray AC. If we take two rays and these two rays rays are meeting at a common end point, that is A point, then we can form an angle. How we can form an angle? If we take two rays and the rays are meeting at a common end point, then an angle is formed. Understood? And this point A, this end point is called the vertex. This is the vertex, and these rays are called arms of the angle. Understood, students? Now how can we show this angle? To show this angle, we have to show this sign. This is the sign of angle, and first we'll take B point, B, A, C. जिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर आपका एंगल बन रहा है, जो वर्टेक्स है वो हमेशा कहाँ आ जाएगा? बीच में. और वी कैन शो इट लाइक एंगल सी ए बी. Understood? Now we'll discuss types of angles. So basically there are four types of angles, students. Types of angles. How many types of angles are there? There are four types of angles. The first angle is right angle. If we join a vertical and a horizontal line, what did I say? If we join a vertical, AB is a vertical line and BC is a horizontal line. If we join a vertical and a horizontal line at a common end point, they are meeting at a common end point, they form an angle, that is right angle, and the right angle is of 90 degree. This angle is called right angle और ये कितने डिग्री का है? 90 डिग्री. Angle ABC is a right angle. Understood, students? How we can form a right angle? By joining a horizontal or a vertical line. Now we see the next angle, student. The second angle is acute angle. When two rays are meeting at a common end point and they are forming an angle which is less than a right angle. Right angle यही होता है. And these two rays AB and BC are forming an angle which is less than right angle, smaller than a right angle. Right angle से छोटा है ये. It means this angle is called an acute angle. Understood, students? ये कितने डिग्री का हो सकता है? 80 डिग्री, 70 डिग्री, 50 डिग्री. Understood? The angle which is less than a right angle, which is smaller than 90 degree, the angle is called acute angle. Understood? Now we see the next angle, that is obtuse angle. Third is obtuse angle. If two rays are meeting at a common end point and they are forming an angle which is more than 90 degree, जो क्या है? 90 डिग्री से बड़ा है, 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है. It means this angle is called obtuse angle. Understood? This will be more than 90 degree, this will be greater than a right angle, and this angle is called obtuse angle. 90 degree will be right angle, less than 90 acute angle, and more than 90 will be obtuse angle. Now we'll see an angle. The last is straight angle. Straight angle. If we join two right angles, this is a right angle, students, and this is also a right angle. If we join two right angles, we can form an angle which is of 180 degree, and this angle is called a straight angle. This is a straight angle which is of 180 degree. It means we can say angle FBC. Angle FBC is equals to 180 degree and this angle is a straight angle. Understood students? This is a straight angle. Or we can say two horizontal lines are meeting at a common end point, they are forming an angle which is of 180 degree and this angle is called straight angle. Understood students? Now we take some questions of this chapter. Students, open page number 159, question number 3. Question number 3, name the following figures and we are observing A part. So students, look at this figure, A, B. What is this? This is a line segment or a ray. As we know, there is only one end point and this is going in this direction. इस direction में आगे जा रही है. It means AB is a ray. और इसे हम कैसे show कर सकते हैं? We have to write AB and we have to show an arrow here. Understood? Now we see the next question, student. On page number 160, question number 7. Name the angles shown in the figures. Classify them as acute, obtuse, straight or right angles. So we are taking the A part, students. Angle POQ is given here and we have to tell the angle which angle is this. So as we know, this is less than 90 degree, 90 degree से छोटा है. It means angle POQ is an acute angle. Understood students? So students, in this way you can form the angles and you can find the type of angle. So I hope you understood this chapter well. Thank you.